Hello guys, today I received my new product. It's a voice changer, okay, and I'm seeing that it's compatible with PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox One S, a cell phone, an iPad, and a Nintendo Switch. Okay, so I'm going to open it and let's see what's inside. Okay, now I can see here we have, okay, first we have the voice changer instructions. Okay, let's see what it contains inside. Okay, inside it was like the device we're going to use, and there were like these two cables inside also, and we have the voice changer instructions that they say will be very important to use it or to read it before using it. And I'm seeing here you need to put, here is like the device you're going to use, the headphones in case you're maybe like using it in a game, that there's where I'm going to use it. And here's like the where you need to connect your PC, the laptop, etc. Okay, so here like the buttons, the power mode, the electrode, the gain, the changer plus, and the changer less. And here I think that there are like the different voices you can use. There's like the male voice, the female voice, baby voice, and the monster. So I think I'm going to try it with the monster first, or before using it I'm going to read the instructions and then I'm going to use it. Okay, so okay, and here are like some LED lights that I think maybe if you put like the monster, it's going to turn on that you're using the monster voice. So it's this one. So I'm going to read the instructions and then we're going to try it. Okay,
Okay guys, we're ready to start the game. In this game, you need to run, jump, and try not to fall down. So I'm going to be changing to I have it right now, the baby voice. I'm going to change it to the monster.
Okay, just like the caveman voice. I'm that guy that I'm running, and there are like some things you need to not to touch it. I'm going to change it to the male voice.